Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do a DIY kinky clipping. Okay, so first of all you want to use a thread and tie down around a chair. You want to make sure you tie it as firm as possible, because if it is not firm, when you start weaving the hair onto it, it is going to weigh down and it's just going to be difficult to work with. Okay, so you want to make sure you tie it as firm as possible, and when you finish tying it, you can use your finger to push it and see how firm it is, like so. Now the hair I'll be using is this kinky coily synthetic hair I got from Kiku. And one thing I love about this hair is that it mimics our natural hair, and I got it for 2,368 francs per for a pack. Okay guys, and it is really inexpensive. So guys, since I discovered this Kiku app, guys, it has been like my go-to for any and everything I cannot find in our local beauty supply store. You can get anything from there. I was very happy when I searched for this hair and I found it. And yeah guys, it's just exactly what I wanted. So when weaving your hair, you want to make sure you the hair is you section it into very tiny bits, because if you make it to be too thick like I'm doing here, it's going to unravel. I learned this the hard way, so I had to come back, undo it, and separate the hair again. Okay guys, so when doing yours, you want to make sure it is very tiny so that it stays in one place. So I'm just going to weave that, and yeah, I'm just going to stop talking now and let you guys see. So a mistake I made was getting only 2 packs of the kinky coily synthetic hair. If I knew, I would have gotten say 3 or 4 packs, but I didn't. So I decided to cut some of it into two, because I wanted it to have like, I didn't want all of them to have the same length, because the hair is quite long. So I wanted something that would fit perfectly in the back. So that is why I decided to cut these. And guys, this video as always is inspired by Lovett Speaks of the Lovett Speaks channel. Guys, she is so talented. I watch her videos for inspiration, and she did a similar video, but she used braiding hair to achieve these, guys. Oh my goodness, and it turned out so great. Please, I would love for you guys to check out that channel and see what I'm talking about. So yeah guys, I'm going to use a flat iron, and I'm just going to use that to press it on the band. That is just to make it stay and not move a lot. And as you can see guys, I learned this trick from Lovett, from the Lovett Speaks channel, of course. So the next step will be to tie a knot around the end of each piece of hair, and this is just to secure it. That's like double secure it, because after using the hot iron, I doubt if it is going to unravel, but you can never be too sure. So you want to make sure you secure that, and I'm just going to start sewing the clips on the hair. And still guys, I got this hair from Kiku, of course. Like I said guys, Kiku to the rescue. Kiku is like my body right now. I buy every and anything from there because things like this is not easy to come by where I'm from. So yeah, so you want to make sure you sew that and make it as firm as possible after knotting your thread so that it does not pass right through. I'm just going to sew that in like you see me doing. So guys, there was a total of 7 clip-ins. Yeah, I'll do a tutorial showing you guys how I use them very soon. So yeah, thank you very much for watching guys, and please, if you did enjoy this video, please give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and let me know if you will try this. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.